stories za pesa saa moja na saa tatu. Stories za pesa zikitokea huwa mlipigiangi simu kabisa.
Eacc filed a case before the court and we managed to recover the 3 pieces of land, and the value of this particular area that has been recovered is $500 million shillings. On the complaint, and as usual, we established that the property had indeed been grabbed and title issued to private persons and companies using fraudulent means. Some of the beneficiaries sold the land to third parties who subsequently charged the same with banks at a very big amount of money. This illegal allocation involved the creation of 3 parcels of land with a cumulative value of 365 million shillings. And we also warned the land officials to desist from colluding with corrupt persons to grab or re-grab public property. It's very important to know that the Commission is focusing on about 130 cases in court seeking to recover grabbed public property worth 10 billion shillings. The Eacc has managed to go after land that belongs to Kenya Airports Authority, which was set aside for the expansion of the Moi International Airport, worth about 2.5 billion shillings. However, we at the back are doing our background to get facts. Until you get facts, you cannot have a case, solid case, to go and take either to the DPP or if it is a civil suit. So as at now, that issue is captured in the media. We are monitoring and we are looking if there is a case to start investigating. So many times we just don't go because something has been hyped by the media. We look at facts because when you investigate a case and you take to the DPP, you are intending to charge people and there must be evidence.
An advice to me and advice to those who are in other positions, whether they're my seniors or my juniors, advice is be careful of what you do. Always remember that it will always catch up. It will always catch up.
Ripoti ĩyo ya Eacc nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũhe kamweke ga gũikĩria no ndũgathiĩ haraya amu nĩ tũracoka na mangĩ maingĩ marĩa tũgĩkũharĩrĩirie gĩkũnjĩro-inĩ gitũ kĩa mohoro.